posture. Why is posture important for singers? Well, posture aligns your body, obviously, right? You go to the chiropractor, they say, "Oop, something's out. There isn't good nerve flow coming down this vertebra, and that's why you're having pain in your back in this place," or, blah, blah, blah. Well, the same is true of singing. Remember that all of your nerves, from your core muscles that you're needing for support, from your lungs, even your vocal cords, all of those nerve endings go directly through your spine into your brain for interpretation and for accurate activation. If we are not completely erect, if we do not have excellent posture, we are compromising the opportunity to have the most excellent connections between our brain and our body. So that's one thing. When you don't have good posture, you also create tension in your muscles. We don't want that. This whole area, everything is very interconnected. All those muscles in your neck and your shoulders, there are muscles that go straight from your shoulder blades to your vocal cords, your strap muscles, your jaw, your lips, your tongue. All of those muscles can have tension, and when they do have tension, they can strangle the freedom of your vocal mechanism, causing you to strain the notes, possibly even damage your vocal cords, but usually just you don't come out with the free singing that you desire to have, so that you can focus on expressing the message, not worrying about how you're hitting those notes. So a lot of times it's about getting out of our own way. One good way to get out of our own way is to have good posture. But what is good posture? No, don't go there. Being a tin soldier is not good posture. Alexander technique will tell us that posture is a little different for everyone. Where is your body in a good resting state? Here's some good ways to find it. Your feet are around shoulder width apart. Your knees are loose, not so much that you're going to fall over, but certainly not locked. Your hips are slightly tucked. Your shoulders are over your hips. The top of your head is reaching for the ceiling. One way that you can often find that is by putting your hand on your head and imagining you're growing up into that hand. Another analogy I like a whole lot is to imagine you're a marionette puppet and you have a string from the top of your head. Your body is loose, but your head is up straight. Speaking of your head weighs between 8 and 12 pounds. You say, so what? But if your head is off kilter, if you tend to jut your chin when you go for a high note, or maybe you do this with your shoulders and you're a bit hunched, so your neck's a little forward, or maybe you're just short like me, so you look up all the time. If your head is not perfectly balanced, you're going to cause tension in your neck, which, as I mentioned before, is going to affect the freedom of your vocalizing. Okay, so how do you figure this out? Well, if you could touch where you think your head and your neck meet, what would you do? Would you say right here? Most people would. Honestly, that's just the back of your neck. If you refer to the little diagram here where I show the skeleton, you'll notice that there's a little curve at the top of your spine. And this is where the spine actually goes from between your shoulder blades up into the center of your head. Your head balances on this little AI joint, almost like a little bobblehead. That's where the idea came from, I think. Notice that you have a certain radius where it causes no tension. You can move your head around. If you go further, now you feel it stretching and cracking and all these other things, right? But there is that little circumference where it's within balance. So you can be up straight anywhere in that little balanced area. You want your body to be free so that you can express yourself when you sing. Never like this, you look like a soldier or a businessman. Never like this, you're cutting yourself off from your audience and you look like you need to go use the toilet. It also makes your shoulders hunch and messes with your posture. Relaxed, so you can use your arms, your body, do what you need to do, and sing out with freedom.
Life is short, we need to be urgent, saving lives and saving souls too. We can't look away when all over the world we've got brothers and sisters in need and in pain.